Hello everyone, I am Nitin and welcome to our channel MBD Traders Online. Today we will be showing you the unboxing of Asus motherboard H370 gaming. So let's start with the unboxing. Now this is the motherboard. But before telling you about motherboards, let's see what's there inside the box. And I'm opening this box up. I'm removing all the things, and now it comes with a user guide. It has a driver CD in it along with it, plus a few cable ties as well to manage the cables and other stuff like that. It has two SATA cables. Now these are two SATA cables to access your storage, to expand your storage, and one RGB converter cable. Apart from that, it has some screws, plus there's a very cool thing over here. It does have a few stickers like which you can paste on your PC and make it look more cooler. Finally, sometimes we are playing games and somebody enters the room without permission. You can just hang this one outside your room, outside the door, and to allow who is entering and who is not. So if it's game on, you shall not pass. Game off, you may enter. Now, firstly, if we look at that back part of the motherboard, it's nicely dressed up with a back I/O, and it has those 4 USB ports plus a DVI port and HDMI ports. Apart from that, it is coming with a Type-C port as well. Secondly, we have 5 audio ports in this motherboard to give you the real good sound. Now, the Intel H370 motherboard, it supports it is a 1151 socket supports 1151 socket CPUs, which are best suited for Intel 8th generation CPUs. Let's close it down. This one does have 4 RAM slots, which will support up to 64 GB DDR4 RAM up till 2666 MHz, giving you the real joy of gaming. Secondly, it comes with 2 PCI Express slots, and it supports AMD 2-way crossfire technology, plus the 6 SATA ports to give you that additional add-on if you want to add an extra hard disk or 2 or perhaps 3 even, so you can use them. It will give you a lot of space, and an M2 port. Thank you guys for watching our video. Please do like our video and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to buy any of these IT products, then please visit our online store at www.mymbt.net. Thank you.